Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I am going to be doing a pack with me for my Florida vacation. I'm super excited to finally go on vacation. So if this is your first time here on my channel, my name is Alexis Ling. Welcome to my channel. If you are not new and you are returning, then welcome back. Please don't forget to like this video if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you aren't already, I'd really appreciate it. And hit the bell so you'll be notified of any future uploads of mine. So I went ahead and got some packing cubes on Amazon. They are this cute leopard print. I believe it was a 7 or 8 pack. I'm not sure. I'll leave them in the description box below if you're interested. I believe they were $24, which isn't too bad. The quality is a little iffy. But yeah, also got my huge suitcase here. I did pick up this suitcase from Walmart. I believe it was around $70. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting everything into the cubes. I've never used packing cubes before. This is actually my first time using them, so I'm excited for that. After the first day vacation, usually my suitcase is a mess. Everything is scattered in there. Hopefully this will help in sorting everything out and finding things more easily for me. And I'm gonna stand the suitcase up to kind of show you how big it is. I'm not sure if you can tell. So this is the suitcase here. I am sitting on the floor, so yeah, you can tell it's pretty big and it has like a hard outer shell, which I like because we do have a truck, so if we throw it in the back of the truck, all my stuff inside won't get wet, so I really like that. I'm just gonna throw everything over here in front of me. I'm just gonna leave it open here and start putting everything into the cubes. I'm trying to see which one is the biggest one. I am gonna be bringing a lot of shoes because I want to have options. I'd rather overpack than not pack enough. I have not been to Florida in a while. Florida actually is my home state. I was born in Florida. Actually, me and my sister getting married were born in Florida, so it's kind of fun to go back to Florida. We were born in Jacksonville, Florida, but we're actually going to Destin. That's what she will be getting married. This is my first time actually going to Destin, so I'm pretty excited to be by the ocean. You know, Florida weather, Florida water is so beautiful. So I'm excited for that. Usually we go to Pensacola or we go to Orlando area because that's where my husband's family is from. I'm gonna try to fit as much as I can in these bags. I do have a lot of clothes. I may leave the dresses out and just do shirts. So I'm just gonna fold these shirts here. Most of all my clothing that I'm bringing is from Shein. I love me some Shein. Oh, this dress too. It's a maxi dress. It's at Goodwill. Perfect for the beach. I'm just excited to take a vacation because honestly, we don't go many places. I'm always at home. I'm a homebody, but I mean, it is always good to kind of get out and have a change of scenery. I am gonna be vlogging a little bit there while we're out on vacation, but I definitely want to keep the wedding private and sentimental because that's not my day. That's my sister and my brother-in-law's day. So I don't know if I'm gonna film at their wedding, but we are gonna try to do some things on the other days. We'll be there for 4 days, I believe. I did look up some stuff to do. Most of the activities include the water. I cannot swim, so I'm not really looking forward to doing anything that pertains to water activities. But there's this little drawstring bag as well, and I think this one is like a dirty laundry bag, which is kind of small in my opinion. I don't know, I might use that for some more shoes, some sandals or something. This is very stressful for me because not only do I have to pack my stuff, but I have to pack my kids' stuff as well. And yeah, I haven't done that either. I'm gonna be doing that the morning of. I kind of look through here to see what other shirts I have. I just have the box of all the Shein clothing that I got. Look how beautiful this shirt is. I'm excited to wear this one. So pretty. I feel like it's perfect for the vacation. I think it will match with these pants here. They're kind of like a high-waisted corduroy pants. I don't know if I'm gonna pair that together. I do have another shirt. Like I said, I'm just bringing options. We have a lot of rompers too. I haven't worn rompers in a while since I put on weight, so I don't know. I haven't felt comfortable with my legs showing a lot, but I'm just gonna embrace it. It is what it is. Things change, right? Okay, I need to find a bag for my bathing suits and underwear. Dude, my leg is going numb. I got everything here folded. Well, not everything, but I have a lot of stuff here. Put my 20s. Got my little spandex shorts. I love to wear these kind under dresses, especially like shorter or flowy dresses, just in case there's a breeze and it blows up my dress. I'm not in a thong and get embarrassed, so yeah, I like to have these. I'm gonna put these shorts, which are for my one of my bathing suits. I did only get like 2 bathing suits. I don't know if this is gonna fit. We're gonna make it fit. Definitely cannot forget the spandex. Some more spandex. I gotta see how many 20s I've packed. Alright, I know I grabbed some more 20s. What are you? There's that bag. I'm just gonna close it for now. Like I said, I do have some more clothes in the dryer, so I'm gonna add some more underwears. I'm gonna put that aside. Lord, send help. I don't even know where to start. So this one, I am gonna go ahead and open it up. Why can't I open these? Just gonna have to press it hard. And this one, I'm gonna be doing bottom because that is gonna take up a lot of room. I think I may bring like 1 or 2 pairs of pants just in case it gets a little chilly. These corduroy pants I got for $7.19 at JCPenney's. They had like a huge clearance section, so I picked these up just to have some dressy type of slack pants. So these are going. There's some other pants that I'm gonna be bringing. This was the one for the shoes, so I'm gonna see how many pairs of shoes I can fit in here. I do have these sandals right here that I picked up from Goodwill. They were only like $7 from Goodwill, and it didn't look like anyone used them. I mean, I obviously have already worn them, so they're a little dirty on the bottoms. I'm gonna put these into this little bag, kind of like here sideways, just so I can fit more in here. You would think that I'm probably going on a freaking 2-week vacation with all the stuff that I'm packing, but like I said, I just don't want to have to go and buy stuff while I'm out there. I think that's like all that's gonna fit. Hopefully she'll, oh yeah, she closes. So. This one is the medium size bag. I think I may put the shirts and the rompers in this one. I had a few more shirts that I wanted to bring. I don't want to be wearing dresses the whole time. I'm ready just to be done with this and call it a night. At least I have like a few bags already. I have 3 bags that are good to go. So I'm going back into this bag with the pants. I'm gonna add these capris, these shorts. On this one, I'm gonna add the shirts. I don't know if the shirts and the rompers are gonna fit in here. Oh man. So I might have to use the other one for the rompers, the small one for the rompers. Should I go like that? How would I get more room? Maybe they can fit like that, like sideways. Here I am trying to be all neat, and all the shirts are kind of unfolded. I'm gonna try to fit the rompers in here as well. I only have 3. But I don't know. I feel like it's gonna be kind of difficult. Alright, so this bag is ready as well. I'm gonna go ahead and zip it up. Alright, so I'm gonna show you what the situation is with the suitcase. It's pretty big, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and start placing these packing cubes in. Whoa, they definitely take up a lot of space in here. I wasn't expecting that. So here, I wonder if I can turn it like this. Okay, yeah, that works. So I have these 2, the shirts and the rompers, and then the bottoms. I can probably fit the shoes on this side. Let's see. Oh yeah, so the shoes fit here. I also have this other bag of shoes. This definitely does seem like it helps a lot with organization. And now that I have all these in here, I'm just gonna go ahead and secure them with the little straps that are built into the suitcase. So far so good. I'm gonna turn it around so I can start putting the dresses in the other portion. I'm just gonna start folding all the dresses. I don't even know if I should bring this one because the straps are really loose. This is what I have so far. Mostly all of it, it's packed. I just have to do my makeup. I'll probably show you tomorrow morning. So yeah, that is what I have so far. Mostly everything's packed. I just have to do my makeup bag. So I just added my undergarments bag right here. I was about to be free balling in Florida. No, just kidding. Alright, so it's the next day. Actually the day that we're leaving. So I did end up finishing packing up my makeup. So I have some makeup in here for me and my sister, and then this one here is the most of the stuff that I am going to be using on her. Also a palette, Jaclyn Hill palette, my curling wand, and then some jewelry that I have from Shein. I'm not sure if they have any mirrors there, but I don't know if I'm going to pack this mirror or not. I'm scared that it's going to break, but I might as well just bring it because I don't want to have it no mirrors. So I'm just going to pack this. Somehow I might have to take off the bottom. That is everything in the suitcase. So yeah, we're ready to go. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up before exiting out. If you made it this far and you aren't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I'd love to have you here. And hit the bell so you'll be notified of any future uploads. Thank you again for watching and take care. Bye.